Next question is gonna be funny, okay? It's gonna be a little bit funny, yeah. And yeah, so next question onward, right? It's like 你们的大概的年收入是多少？对，so around the sort of the year salary, year salary. So graduate from the top university in the world. What is the salary after number of years of graduate? Okay, what is sort of the range? You can give a range. Okay, you don't need to give a specific number, but you can give a range. Okay, so what's yours? The top hotel in Macau. 很多打码者在什么的
Any Australian dollars or
in RMB or
RMB?
Australian dollars is all good. Yeah, or RMB is fine.
Maybe 20 now. 20.
Like a year
20,000
per month. 20,000 per month. Wow. Okay, RMB.
Yeah.
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Because it's only graduate, so.
You just graduate?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Wow. Okay, I thought you were still studying.
Yeah, the hotel work is needs the age and experience.
Yeah.
And the working time.
Your entry level is actually very high.
So now I'm working time is only 8 months.
8 months. Okay.
So the salary is
What's
so
your
low.
advice? What's your advice for people, for the teenagers who want to get into your industry and to be a supervisor of your type? Yeah. 你的杂偶，你可以说一下你择偶对象的也行，或者是已经有对象的也行。
没有对象。
没有对象，你的择偶对象，我们不只有 teenagers， 还有其他的那个粉丝。对。
likes older
men.
No.
Yeah.
not successful businessman.
Successful businessman.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Oh, okay. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. So
I like handsome people.
you like handsome people, handsome and successful. Wow, okay. Smart.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, here we go. You got all that in one body right there. Yeah. Yes. So thank you. So what's your salary like for the year
But
or month?
We haven't worked.
Range? Haven't even worked.
Yeah.
Okay. So family is good.
Not
Supplying everything. Okay. So a lot of students like from a top university, they don't need to work. That's
they
the
can
issue.
do part-time job in Australia.
Part-time job in Australia.
Yes, and you can get like 3,000 AUD
AUD.
a month. You can earn your living fee.
Yeah.
And yes, you can cover your living expense if you do the part-time job.
Yes. Australia is generally very high. One of the top high salary in the world. Not one of them. It's actually the highest. So yeah. So it's actually pretty high. So thanks for the advice. So they can study. While they study, they can work and cover all the costs.
Yes.
Okay.
Except the tuition fee.
Okay.
The tuition fee needs the family support, but
So
for the living fees, you can earn
you can
by
earn
yourself.
your yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very healthy. That's a very healthy. So I don't ask you about 你的择偶对象，因为我已经知道了。So we know already. So yeah. So 你的择偶对象是什么样？你的对象是你的 ideal 的。I just want to make it. I just want to give you the opportunity. So what's the ideal type of ladies? So from a top university in the world, one of the top university in the world, what kind of ideal lady that you are looking for? I give you an opportunity the mic to talk about it, and if you need a ring, we can prepare one for you. Yeah, please. Yes. All good. Yeah, you can look at and tell. Yeah.
It's hard to say.
It's hard to say. Yeah.
Because I think I have find the one. I have find the one just stand behind me, beside me, and if you want me to say my criteria for selecting, I think maybe